All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today I've got a desk clamp power strip surge protector. So this has 5 outlets for AC and has 2 USB-A's and 1 USB-C. And this is a desk mount. That's what makes this one so much better. So today we're going to go ahead and mount this up, and I'm going to put it right off camera over here, and I'll get some side shots of it after it's hooked up. But this will be pretty cool. This is how it comes in the box to you. You can see all the information here. You can pause this if you want to read it. But this is going to be really nice having a surge protector up higher on the desk for those times that I don't want to plug anything down low. So you get 18 months warranty, 30-day money back guarantee, 100% satisfaction it says. Let's go ahead and crack it open here. And this is not very much, man. There's going to be a coupon in the description along with the code to the link to purchase. So be sure to use that. But this is how it's going to come to you. So you got your instruction guide here. Pretty simple. Folks, this is a surge protector, so it's not very difficult to use a surge protector. So before I go ahead and hook it up, on the top here you can see you have 2 USB-A's, and it comes in black or white, and it has a 10-foot or 15-foot cable as well. So you got your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 AC outs, and then here's your power button right here. It's not as sturdy as I would like it to be, but still it's there. All right, so I'm going to wind this down a little bit. This is how it goes to get it on the desk. I don't need to go too much because my desk is fairly thin, but this is how it's going to be. So I'm going to get this off, and they give you that Velcro strip to kind of help you with cable management. And this is a very long cable here. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this up real quick, and then I'll go ahead and show you how it looks. Now here's where it's mounted up at. It's nice and sturdy on the desk. You can see I have access to all the ports and everything. I'm going to dim the lights for a second. Just so you can see, here's the LED lights here. So just take note of that. That is how it is going to look. I have quick access to all this side right here. And if anything I put on this side right here, it would just be something that I'm just not needing access to, or I'm just going to leave plugged in more than likely. But there it is, folks. Pretty simple and straight to the point. Here's the brand down here. There's going to be a coupon checkbox that you can use if you want to get this. Be sure to do so with the link in the description. And this is a great addition to having this on my desktop now, because I've got, literally, I got 2 surge protectors right down there to protect everything. So I'm pretty happy to go ahead and run this one up top so I can start giving quick access and actually have a longer cable access to things up top if I want to move around. But it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.